Hi, I'm Scott Stewart, and I am one of the partners here. And today we're going to talk a little bit about elder law, planning for long-term care, and the various subtopics that are associated with that. Elder law attorneys, as we see here today, fit under the umbrella of estate planning attorneys. However, we definitely look at things differently than estate planning attorneys. And what I think is critically important is planning for incapacity, which can be loosely described as what happens if I don't die? What happens if I instead just get really sick? How do I plan around all of that? MetLife and AARP have done some recent studies that have really caused me to change my practice, the way I practice law, and my approach to this. One of those studies found that less than 10% of the senior population has even had a conversation with a loved one about what their long-term care preferences are. That's not even having a conversation where it's actually going to be a plan that's going to work. That's just having a conversation saying, I'd like to stay home. I want this child to take care of me. I want that to happen. These conversations aren't being had at all. And elder law attorneys are, as a practice area, we're here to help facilitate those conversations, to help you get what it is that you want to have happen written down in a legal format. The real problem is that if you don't have a plan, someone else is going to impose their plan upon you. The other major piece that elder law attorneys deal with quite a bit is we are concerned about how you're going to pay for care. Long-term care costs are extremely expensive. We'll talk about why and the different levels of care in another video. But it's very important for families to understand what their choices are.